Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you if your rear door guys does not open from the outside. Okay, I'm talking from the outside, not the inside. Stay with us, we'll explain what can cause that now. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get to the shop. We do guys all that so we can save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if your door does not open from the outside, we'll show you what to do. If it doesn't open from the inside, we have a video that explains that as well, so please check it out. If you guys need to buy any parts for your car or any tools, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a super good price and very fast shipping as well. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Now what is causing guys your exterior, okay, your door not to be able to open from the exterior door handle? Now we remove the door panel. If you want to see the video, okay, on the channel and all that, check it out. It's there, everything from start to finish. We will explain what needs to be done. But I'm going to explain now what is causing that now, guys. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and demonstrate when we pull the door handle to open the door. I will explain what is happening. 1 second now. Let me just situate the light here so we can see things a little bit better. Okay, let me just put the light in. Now when we pull the door handle, check it out, close, open, close. What is happening? Okay, that rod is moving. If your door is not opening guys, or closing, not opening from the exterior door handle, most likely what is happening, okay, let me just get a screwdriver to point. Okay, that clamp right here that holds, okay, the rod that opens the door is guys either broken or it's open. So if I go ahead, okay, and situate it now and lock it, okay, let me show you how I'm going to do that now. Okay, like that. Now if we pull the handle, everything should work fine. Let's try now. Okay, open the door, close. So now it moves the mechanism guys. So if it's not guys that thing that's loose, that's holding your opening and closing rod, then most likely you either have a bad handle, but you can see if it moves that rod guys, the handle, exterior door handle mechanism is good, then it's door lock actuator. This is reason number 3, but the most common one guys, 9 out of 10 times will be that clip being loose or just being broken. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure that problem out. If you need help with anything, let us know guys. Check out the channel. We'll have video for almost everything on Chevy Cruze. Please guys subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have a question, let us know in the comment section. See you guys next time.